Imagine a world where cleaning hard floors becomes not only easy but almost enjoyable. A world where, in a single pass, your floor is not only clean but also dry, without a single mark or a drop of water left behind. This is exactly the world that the Tineco iFloor 3 Breeze Plus invites you to discover. This revolutionary floor cleaner is designed to transform the way you clean by combining power and ease of use in a lightweight cordless device. Let me guide you through the features that make the Tineco iFloor 3 Breeze Plus a must-have in every home. If you're interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features. See hundreds of reviews from very satisfied customers and order yours today. The Tineco is ideal for modern families and active individuals looking for an efficient and quick solution to clean their hard floors. Perfect for those who value cleanliness, ease of use, and time saving in maintaining their home. Firstly, its innovation lies in its ability to vacuum and wash your floors simultaneously. No more wasted time vacuuming before cleaning. It takes care of both at the same time. Imagine saving time and effort with every cleaning, allowing your hard floors to shine without any extra effort on your part. Next, the lightweight design of this device is unmatched. Weighing only 4.2 kilos, it is easy to maneuver and transport throughout the house. This lightweight design, combined with its cordless functionality, gives you the freedom to clean every corner without being hindered by a power cord. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. But that's not all. The Tineco iFloor 3 Breeze Plus is equipped with quick drying technology, leaving your floors instantly dry and streak-free after each pass. No more waiting for the floor to dry or worrying about footprints on a wet surface. Furthermore, with a water recovery rate of over 90%, you can say goodbye to residual moisture and hello to spotless floors after every cleaning. The secret behind its effectiveness is the dual tank design. This means that you are always cleaning with clean water, while the dirty water is collected separately in another tank. This innovation ensures that you are not just moving dirt from one place to another, but that you are actually cleaning your floors with clean water every time. The multifunctional docking station not only serves to recharge the device, it also initiates a self-cleaning cycle to keep the tube and brush clean and odor-free. This means that your Tineco iFloor 3 Breeze Plus is always ready for the next cleaning, without the need for tedious maintenance on your part. The operation of the device is remarkably quiet thanks to its digital brushless motor. This means that you can clean at any time of the day without disturbing the peace of your home. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it at the best price right now and revolutionize your daily life. For those looking not only to clean but also to elevate the hygiene of their home to a whole new level, this Tineco features a HEPA filter to capture fine particles, ensuring that the air in your home remains as clean as your floors. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, simultaneous vacuuming and washing. Saves time and effort by cleaning floors in a single step. Advantage number 2, quick drying without streaks. Guaranteed that the floors are immediately dry and mark-free after cleaning. Advantage number 3, cordless and lightweight design. It makes it easy to move around and clean all corners of the house without any constraints. Advantage number 4, dual tank technology. Ensures the use of clean water for cleaning with a separate tank for dirty water. Advantage number 5, self-cleaning cycle. The docking station allows for self-cleaning of the tube and brush, minimizing manual maintenance. Advantage number 6, silent operation. Allows for cleaning without disturbing the tranquility of the home. And finally, advantage number 7 included HEPA filter. It improves air quality by capturing fine particles during cleaning. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, limited battery life. May require recharging for large homes or very long cleaning sessions. Disadvantage number 2, tank capacity. For very large areas, it may be necessary to empty and refill the tanks multiple times. In summary, the Tineco iFloor 3 Breeze Plus is much more than just a simple floor cleaner. It is a revolution in home maintenance, providing an all-in-one solution for spotless hard floors. With its lightweight design, dual tank system, and ability to clean and dry in a single pass, it sets a new standard in floor cleaning. And now, to make your home shine effortlessly, click the link in the description to order it at the best price. Don't miss the opportunity to see the hundreds of customer reviews that attest to its effectiveness and ease of use. Transform your cleaning routine today with the Tineco iFloor 3 Breeze Plus. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.